What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new slime review video for you and I'm really excited. We're going to be reviewing slime by Maddie Rea, slime Obsidian, and slime glitters today, so I'm really excited. If you're excited as well, don't forget to give the video a big slimy thumbs up for me. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel to become a unicorn. Here are the Unicorn fam shoutouts for today. Thank you all so much for being here and having your post notifications on. I love you very, very much. If you would like a Unicorn fam shoutout, all you have to do is comment down below using hashtag Unicorn fam. Make sure that you are subscribed and also make sure that you hit the little bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you can get post notifications every single time that I upload. And that is pretty much it. So I am really excited for you all to see all of these slimes. So let's get started, shall we? So first up, we have slime Obsidian. So included in the package was the two 8-ounce slimes that I ordered. Also this airheads as an extra, and then the little business card slash care sheet as well. The first slime that I ordered was this frozen lake here. So I'm going to show you that one first. This one is so beautiful, and it was beautiful when I saw it on his Instagram. So I was like, you know what, I gotta cop that. And I did. It was very thick, a little bit under activated. So I added a little bit of activator to it just because it was sticking onto me. But it was still very, very thick and super clear, and I love all of the glitters that were in there as well. It was a super cute touch. Next up is the Obsidian Cloud. This one was so aesthetically pleasing just because it's such a dark color with the holographic glitters on there. You could really see it, and it was just beautiful. I love the drizzle of this as well. It had a really nice soft consistency, but it had a slow drizzle to it, almost like if it was over activated, but it was perfectly activated. It just helps you get that really satisfying slow drizzle that you can build on top of itself, like you see him doing on Instagram. So I really liked that it was true to, you know, the video that he puts on there. The cloud slime is exactly what you would expect it to be. It is perfect, and I loved it so much. It also smelled really good, like buttercream or cupcakes or something like that. It was amazing. Next up, we had slime by Maddie Rea. I ordered a couple of slimes from her just because I was really curious to see what her slimes felt like. We've worked together often because of Playfair and Slime Bash and things like that, but I've never actually felt her slime, so this was very interesting. I ordered her Chinese takeout and 3 6-ounce slimes, and then she threw in some stickers, and then also an extra 2-ounce slime as an extra as well. So we are first going to go ahead and start off with the Chinese takeout trio. I was so obsessed with this idea, and as soon as I saw that she had it in stock, I knew that I needed to snatch it, especially because she had an egg drop soup in there, which is one of my faves. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. It is 3 totally completely different textures, and I love how it includes this build your own chopsticks kind of thing. It's super cute. So also, I almost forgot, it does come with a fortune. Mine says to stay away from red slime today, so I did that. Anyways, this one here is white rice. It was a really cool slime with some foam beads to kind of represent the rice. I really liked it. I don't recall if it had a scent. I don't think it did, but it was a really nice texture, and it had great bubble pops to it. Next up was the fortune cookie butter. This one smelled so good. It almost had an eggnoggy type of scent, but it was really nice, and it was such a great butter slime, very smooth and spreadable, and I really liked it. And to complete the trio, we have the egg drop soup iconic slime right here. I loved it so much. It comes with a little egg as well, little egg charm. It's super, super cute. They were cut up like little straws to represent the scallions in there. There's also some black glitters to represent pepper. And then of course there was a little bit of these white micro foam beads in there as well. And I just really loved the slime. The clarity of the slime was amazing. The whole just idea behind the slime was amazing. Honestly, I probably just got the trio for the egg drop soup. Like, can you please send me a 32-ounce, Maddie? I would love it forever. But yeah, it's just really, really good. This next slime was another gorgeous slime by Maddie. This one is called Enchanted Rose Garden, and there's just so much going on. There's like foam roses in there, or foam flowers. There's also a bunch of foam beads in there. There's also some clay flower chunks. It's just so beautiful. Also little like leaf petals in there. It's just amazing. Everything that I would picture an enchanted garden to look like in slime form. This next slime, I believe it's called Goldfish Crumbs, if I'm not mistaken, like the goldfish cracker crumbs, I don't know, but it comes with a little goldfish charm. It's super cute. This one is unscented. This one was a really nice cloud slime. It kind of felt like Slime Obsidian's cloud slime. It was kind of like, you know, super soft and a little bit damp, but this one didn't drizzle like that. It had drizzles, don't get me wrong, as you can see here. It just didn't have like a complete drizzle. Like, it kind of broke apart at times. I really didn't mind it though. I liked the texture of the slime because it was super, super soft. It just felt a little bit more like spreadable, like a cloud cream to me. However, it had drizzles, so you know, it was kind of a plus, but it was not like a regular cloud slime for sure. Peach Bubble Tea is another really gorgeous slime from Maddie. I just am like so obsessed with all of her clear slime ideas. I think they're gorgeous, like I keep saying. This one had some foam chunks in there. Not foam chunks, jelly cubes, that's what they're called. And then also the black beads to represent the boba. This one also had some clay sprinkles and as well the fake little leaves in there as well. I really, really love this slime. It was just so beautiful to look at. It was a beautiful peach color, and just the whole add-ins were gorgeous. And this last slime here was a little 2 ounce that she gave me extra. It actually was scented like mint chip and it smelled really good. I'm not too sure on the texture though. The texture was kind of creamy and also had like plastic snow in it, which was really cool to feel. I'm just not too sure like what the slime is called or anything, or if she sells it in her shop or if it was just an extra, but I really liked it and I definitely appreciated it, so thank you, Maddie. This next package is from Slime Glitters, and he included a bunch of extras for me as well. So there was some candy in there. This was a gummy cupcake, which actually tasted really good. So thank you so much, Oscar. Also included was this little slime here. It said "do not eat" on it. It smelled really, really good, and I loved the scent. I don't know what it was, but it smelled amazing. And then also he included this little packet here, which had some candy. It had a care sheet, business card, and then also an activator. He actually included 2 of those, and then some black foam beads, which I thought was definitely very, very thoughtful, and then a Slime Glitters wristband. So first up, we have this one here. I was pointing at it to show you all that it was a limited edition slime, and I'm so glad that I got it. It also came with a limited edition little logo sticker on it. This slime is Gingerbread Frosting, and it is possibly, no, I'm just gonna say it's my favorite slime of all time right now. The texture is just insane. So it's almost like a butter slime, yet a thick and glossy slime at the same time. Like, I don't know if the slime can make up its mind on what it is, but it's amazing. That is for sure. It smelled just like gingerbread. It was just such a good slime. I honestly could not put it down. It was definitely my favorite, and it still is my favorite right now. Next is the iconic Grape Soda Pop. Oh my god, I've had this before. I actually traded with Oscar at the first Slime Bash, I believe it was, and I got this. However, it broke on the way home because I was traveling on a plane, so that was not fun. But I got another one, and it's everything and more. I love the scent so much, and the thickness of it. It was a little bit underactivated, but that only made it a little bit sticky. It was still very, very thick, so I just added a little bit of activator just to take away the tackiness of it. But y'all, this slime is everything and more. The hype is real. You definitely need to snatch this one for sure. Banana split ice cream was definitely like one of my favorite scents from Oscar. It smelled really, really good, like bananas. It was really nice. And it just had a really nice texture as well. Very, very thick and glossy, yet creamy. I feel like all of Oscar's slimes were creamy. Even Grape Soda Pop has like a creaminess to it. So I don't know if he adds like clay to everything or what, but it's creamy, y'all. And last but not least, we have Slime Glitter's birthday cake. It was actually his birthday when he restocked, so he restocked this to celebrate his birthday. So happy birthday, Oscar, even though I already told you. But yeah, this is his like official birthday slime, and it's super, super thick, and I love all the foam beads in it. The initial crunch was great, and I just love how like bubbly it makes the slime when you mix in the foam beads, and it smells just like every type of birthday cake you can imagine. It smells really good. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of these slimes were your favorite. Gingerbread Frosting still has my heart, just wanted to let you all know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you very friggin' much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!